So it's your girl Providence here. So I'm really excited because today it's Friday, so it's the weekend. So yeah, I'm really happy for today. I just finished a video where I talked about how I was able to lose weight, 20 pounds under 2 months. So if you haven't seen the video, it's gonna be before this video for sure. So oh my god, the lighting is so bad. Okay, should I just stay here? Okay, I think it's better right here. Let's see. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna make a low carb pizza, keto pizza. This is gonna be my first time, and I'm using the recipe from I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on. From her name is Low Carb Love, Myra. So that's what I'm gonna do, use her recipe to make the pizza. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully it comes out good. Like seriously, I'm not good at baking, but when I think if I follow the recipe properly, I could get something out of it. So I'm gonna try to do it. I really don't have anything to eat, and I don't know what to eat, so this is the only thing I have in mind. And Fred already has food, but I'm pretty sure he might want to taste from the pizza if it tastes good, right? So I'm gonna try to do it right now. Mama, what's the problem? Okay, so I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna start. Give me a few minutes, let me set up. So guys, I have all my ingredients right here. I'm gonna show you. So these are the things I'm gonna use to make the pizza, but I only have one problem. I got the sauce from Walmart, and it has like, the sauce is the problem. It has 11 minus 2, which is 9 grams of carbs, net carbs, for like for a half cup of this. So I'm really concerned about this because I think the carbs are too much. But what I'll do, I'll make a small pizza so I don't have to use half of this. So I don't have to use half. I'll just use like a tablespoon or something, because I don't have any other sauce. I checked, I don't have tomatoes. I would have done my own sauce, but I don't have fresh tomatoes. So yeah, these are the ingredients I'll use. I'll start making it right now. Hopefully it comes out good. So guys, I microwaved this, so the consistency is like really good now. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my other ingredients. So you see that? So guys, I've been kneading this for like, let's say like 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna add in the egg. So I'm gonna add 1 egg in, and then I'm gonna continue kneading it. So yeah, I put the pizza in there. Hopefully it's good. I don't know if I follow the, I don't know, it didn't come out like the way it has came out, so I don't know. Hopefully it's good. It's my first time. I'll make it better next time. So yeah, so I put it in there to like bake before I start doing the toppings. For the toppings, I'm gonna add in green pepper, red pepper, chicken. That's what I'm gonna add. So I'm gonna prepare the toppings. I'll come back and show you guys. So guys, this is it right here. Like the crust, it's, I don't know, like I think I didn't knead it properly. I should have done it better. So now I'm gonna, these are my toppings I'm gonna put right here. I'm gonna use a 1/3 cup of this sauce because it has a lot of carbs and it has sugar, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this. So yeah, it is, this is it right now. I'm gonna use this cup. Now I'm gonna use cheese. Then I'm gonna add in my veggies. So now I'm gonna add in chicken. So guys, yeah, it's the finished product. It looks good, but next time I'm gonna knead it properly. I'm not really good at kneading, even when it comes to bread and all the stuff. I'm not really good, so I'm pretty sure I need a machine, you know. But yeah, it looks pretty decent, pretty good. Let's try it and see. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I'm really excited. We just came back from grocery. So I actually went to Publix because I kind of figured out they have a lot of low carb friendly ketogenic products. So I was like, you know what, I am gonna go. So I went there and I found like these things. I found the solar bread. Yes, I'm so excited. Solar bread cost me $3.99. I think it was on sale because they told me I saved $1, so it was like $4.99, but I got it for $3.99. So right, yeah, it only has 2 net carbs right there. And then I found this sugar-free syrup for my coconut pancakes, coconut almond flour pancakes and stuff like that. So I'm really excited about it. I got also myself 100% peanut creamy natural peanut butter, which I'm really excited because the other one have like, I'll show you guys, hold on. The other one I have, which my husband uses, has a lot of carbs. It has like, let's see, 8 to, oh wait, it has 6 net carbs, but this one has, yeah, this one has 6 net carbs, and then this one has how many? 2, which is, it makes sense, right? So yeah, so I got this 100% peanut butter, and it has no sugar. This one has added sugar to it, so yeah. And then the one I'm really excited, I got this keto cookie right here. So I already ate this one, so I got the chocolate chip one and then the coconut one. It's gluten-free, vegan friendly, and it's plant-based, which I'm really excited about. So right here, I got 2 and it's only 3 net carb. I already ate one because I was starving while we were shopping. So and then I got this Quest bar. It's like kind of low carb friendly a little bit. It has a lot of protein, which I know if I'm eating this I have to eat less protein that day. because it has a lot of protein, and then it has fiber. I need fiber, you know. So yeah, and it has like just 5 net grams of carbs, which is not that bad. So yeah, so these are the things I got from Publix. I'm really excited about what I found there, because I know that I was looking for this product for the longest time. So I told my husband, I was like, I'm going there, you're taking me there. So yeah, so I'm really excited. They were a little bit pricey, but you know what, it's worth it, right? So yeah, I'm gonna make myself right now peanut butter sandwich, because it's been long I ate bread and peanut butter. It's been long. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So guys, I was doing I was editing the video, and I saw that I didn't do an outro for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Love you guys.